Hello everyone. In this video, I will give you an orientation of Marketing 3338, Introduction to Marketing Analytics. In this orientation, I'll go through some of the most important things for taking this course. The first question we often ask about marketing analytics is, well, I'm doing marketing. As a marketer, why do I need to learn analytics? The reason is simple. Marketing used to have to only deal with survey data. Nowadays, the websites, the apps, everything that we use collects data. So for a marketer, analytics has become a new language in the business world. When it comes to marketing, analytics has become a bankable skill even for marketers. This is the main motive why we offer this course. Do I have to know math? Well, throughout the early academic years, from elementary school to middle school, high school, and college, we have learned various mathematics, from basic numbers and counting to algebra to calculus. It becomes more and more complicated. And here's the good news. This is where we are, spreadsheet-based analytics. Although it may seem like a very simple tool, Excel can give you a lot of marketing insights. The goals of this course are threefold. First is to understand data. By data, this is what I mean. So here are some comments people have written down on the movie. Yes, great, very nice, I love it. Some people may say it is so cliche, but I am a big fan. So when we deal with analytics, we are able to deal with text like this, but the machine is not able to analyze this data, the text, directly. Instead, we are going to code this data into numbers. So in this case, we can code all these comments as positive sentiments. So we create a new variable called positive sentiments, and in this case, we code all these comments as 1. If someone writes down something neutral or negative, then we call that as positive sentiment equals 0. So that's the first goal, to understand data. The second goal is to be good at Excel. Excel has become the most basic business language to communicate ideas and share results. For the marketing analytics course, this is what we want to achieve, you becoming really good at Excel. The third goal is to be able to tackle marketing issues analytically. You have learned all these marketing concepts from earlier course: advertising, sales, price, product, promotion, place, customer satisfaction, etc. Every single concept you've learned can be enhanced with marketing analytics. So we're going to tap into the analytics side of these concepts. So these are the 3 goals. This class goes on a weekly cycle. For each week, we're going to release new materials. So step 1 is to study the video clips and the slides posted. Step 2 is to complete the quizzes to check your learning on the basics of the posted material. Step 3 goes a little bit deeper, so you complete the assignments. Step 4, if you have questions about the materials, come to the office hours. We have both face-to-face office hours and virtual office hours. So as you see here, for this course, we go on a weekly cycle. And like a face-to-face course, it is important to study these materials on a weekly basis. There are 3 main components for the assessment of this course: the weekly quiz and assignments. Again, as you see, these are very important components for the learning experience. And we have 2 tests. So how to ace this class? Here are a few things. First, to have interest in marketing questions. An interest breeds motivation. And with motivation, no difficulty cannot be conquered. Number 2, as mentioned earlier, we update course materials on a weekly basis. Number 3, I will post course materials and also links to YouTube video clips. These video clips are going to be extremely helpful for you to understand the course materials. Number 4, as you could imagine, this course is heavily Excel-based, So you need to have access to a computer, and you can use computers on campus. And finally, if you have questions, come to the office hours. They're very, very helpful. So we have two forms of office hours: in-person office hours and Zoom office hours. So what next after you watch this orientation video clip? First is to read the syllabus carefully. The syllabus has all the details, including the tentative schedule of the classes. So read the syllabus carefully. Second, as a practice, take the first weekly quiz to check your learning on this orientation. This quiz will count towards your total grades. Email. Thank you and keep up the good work.